Welcome to the Ultimate Desert Challenge. Let's test your knowledge on the world's most extreme sands and landscapes. What is the main characteristic of all deserts? Is it A, very little rain, B, always hot weather, or C, lots of trees? It's A, very little rain. Deserts are defined by extreme dryness. Which is the largest hot desert on Earth? Is it A, Gobi Desert, B, Mojave Desert, or C, Sahara Desert? It's C, Sahara Desert. It covers over 3 million square miles. Which animal is famous for storing fat in its humps to survive the desert? Is it A, donkey, B, camel, or C, kangaroo? It's B, camel. Humps store fat for energy later. What is the name of this spiky desert plant that stores water in its stem? Is it A, fern, B, cactus, or C, maple? It's B, cactus. They store water in their thick stems. What is a fertile area with water and plants in the middle of a desert called? Is it A, oasis, B, island, or C, swamp? It's A, oasis. Underground water feeds these lush spots. What do we call these giant hills of wind-blown sand? Is it A, canyons, B, dunes, or C, plains? It's B, dunes. Winds build these massive sandhills. Which desert reptile makes a buzzing sound with its tail to warn predators? Is it A, chameleon, B, gecko, or C, rattlesnake? It's C, rattlesnake. Their tail scales make a buzzing rattle. Which desert creature has a stinger on its tail and 8 legs? Is it A, scorpion, B, spider, or C, beetle? It's A, scorpion. They are arachnids with venomous stingers. Which cold desert covers parts of northern China and Mongolia? Is it A, Atacama Desert, B, Gobi Desert, or C, Kalahari Desert? It's B, Gobi Desert. It is famous for its cold temperatures. What is the optical illusion that makes distant hot ground look like water? Is it A, rainbow, B, mirage, or C, fog? It's B, mirage. Hot air bends light to look like water. Which massive cold continent is technically the largest desert in the world? Is it A, Greenland, B, Antarctica, or C, Australia? It's B, Antarctica. It gets almost no precipitation. Which fast-running desert bird is famous for catching lizards and insects? Is it A, roadrunner, B, ostrich, or C, eagle? It's A, roadrunner. They are speedy ground-dwelling birds. Which slow-moving desert reptile spends most of its life underground to escape heat? Is it A, desert tortoise, B, iguana, or C, alligator? It's A, desert tortoise. Burrows keep them cool. What general term is used for plants with thick, juicy parts that store water? Is it A, succulent, B, fern, or C, moss? It's A, succulent. Their fleshy parts store moisture. Which cute desert fox has giant ears to help it cool down in the heat? Is it A, fennec fox, B, red fox, or C, Arctic fox? It's A, fennec fox. Giant ears radiate body heat. Which South American desert is known as the driest non-polar place on Earth? Is it A, Atacama Desert, B, Patagonian Desert, or C, Sonoran Desert? It's A, Atacama Desert. Some parts haven't rained in centuries. What is the name of this giant tree-like cactus found in the Sonoran Desert? Is it A, prickly pear, B, peyote, or C, saguaro? It's C, saguaro. They can live over 150 years. What is the giant red sandstone rock formation located in the Australian outback? Is it A, Uluru, B, Grand Canyon, or C, Mount Rushmore? It's A, Uluru. It is a massive, sacred monolith. Which desert valley in California holds the record for highest recorded air temperature? Is it A, Death Valley, B, Monument Valley, or C, Napa Valley? It's A, Death Valley. Temperatures reached 134 degrees. Which unique tree-like succulent with spiky leaves is named after a biblical figure? Is it A, Joshua tree, B, Moses bush, or C, David palm? It's A, Joshua tree. Pioneer settlers named this tree. Which coastal African desert is famous for having giant orange and red sand dunes? Is it A, Kalahari Desert, B, Namib Desert, or C, Sahara Desert? It's B, Namib Desert. It has the world's tallest dunes. Which snake moves sideways in an S-shaped pattern over hot, loose sand? Is it A, python, B, sidewinder, or C, cobra? It's B, sidewinder. Sideways looping protects them from heat. What is the name of this venomous desert lizard native to the southwestern USA? Is it A, Gila monster, B, Komodo dragon, or C, horned lizard? It's A, Gila monster, one of America's few venomous lizards. What plant breaks off at its stem to roll in the wind and scatter seeds? Is it A, fern, B, tumbleweed, or C, ivy? It's B, tumbleweed. They roll to scatter seeds. When desert water evaporates quickly, what white crusty feature is left behind? Is it A, coal beds, B, salt flats, or C, mud pools? It's B, salt flats. Evaporated water leaves mineral crusts. Which tiny desert rodent can survive its entire life without ever drinking water? Is it A, hamster, B, kangaroo rat, or C, guinea pig? It's B, kangaroo rat. They get moisture from seeds. What are these limestone pillars rising out of the sand in Western Australia? Is it A, the Pinnacles, B, Stonehenge, or C, Giant's Causeway? It's A, the Pinnacles. These natural limestone pillars are ancient. Which spiky Australian lizard gathers drinking water through channels in its skin? Is it A, bearded dragon, B, thorny devil, or C, frilled lizard? It's B, thorny devil. Skin channels direct water to mouth. Which ancient African desert plant grows only 2 leaves that last over 1,000 years? Is it A, welwitschia, B, baobab, or C, agave? It's A, welwitschia. Its 2 leaves grow continuously. Which desert spans the US-Mexico border and is famous for its white gypsum dunes? Is it A, Sonoran Desert, B, Chihuahuan Desert, or C, Mojave Desert? It's B, Chihuahuan Desert. It contains the white sands dunes. Which unique Australian wildflower is bright red with a black, eye-like center? Is it A, Sturt's desert pea, B, kangaroo paw, or C, waratah? It's A, Sturt's desert pea. This flower is very distinctive. What is the name for crescent-shaped sand dunes that point downwind? Is it A, star dunes, B, barkans, or C, linear dunes? It's B, barchans. Wind creates these crescent shapes. Which hopping desert rodent has long hind legs and a very long tufted tail? Is it A, jerboa, B, lemur, or C, chinchilla? It's A, jerboa. They hop around Asian and African deserts. Which tiny round desert frog makes a high-pitched squeak when threatened? Is it A, bullfrog, B, tree frog, or C, desert rain frog? It's C, desert rain frog. They make funny squeaking sounds. What ancient architectural towers in Iran are used to naturally cool desert homes? Is it A, wind catchers, B, aqueducts, or C, pagodas? It's A, wind catchers. They channel cool breezes into homes. What is the Arabic name for a giant, fast-moving wall of dust kicked up by wind? Is it A, haboob, B, monsoon, or C, tsunami? It's A, haboob. These are violent, wind-blown dust storms. Which desert tree has green bark so it can photosynthesize even without leaves? Is it A, mesquite, B, palo verde, or C, Joshua tree? It's B, palo verde. Green bark makes energy. Which beautiful white antelope was successfully saved from extinction in desert reserves? Is it A, Arabian oryx, B, gazelle, or C, impala? It's A, Arabian oryx. Breeding programs saved this species. What is a flat-topped hill with steep sides, common in southwestern deserts, called? Is it A, mesa, B, crater, or C, glacier? It's A, mesa. Erosion sculpts these flat-topped hills. What is the smallest owl in the world, which nests inside giant cactus cavities? Is it A, barn owl, B, elf owl, or C, burrowing owl? It's B, F owl. They nest inside cactus cavities. What is the dark, shiny coating of iron and clay found on sun-baked rocks? Is it A, desert varnish, B, volcanic ash, or C, moss crust? It's A, desert varnish. It slowly coats sun-baked rocks. What term describes desert flowers that bloom all at once after a rare heavy rain? Is it A, perennial, B, ephemeral, or C, evergreen? It's B, ephemeral. They bloom rapidly after rains. What is the giant circular geological structure in the Sahara known as the Eye of the Sahara? Is it A, Richat structure, B, Barringer crater, or C, Chicxulub dome? It's A, Richat structure. It is visible from space. Which extreme desert basin features bright yellow acid ponds and boiling mineral springs? Is it A, Danakil Depression, B, Death Valley, or C, Salar de Uyuni? It's A, Danakil Depression. It is incredibly hot and volcanic. Which beetle survives the Namib Desert by collecting water from morning fog on its back? Is it A, dung beetle, B, stag beetle, or C, Namib desert beetle? It's C, Namib desert beetle. Fog condenses on its bumpy shell. Which desert is famous for its dangerous, thick crust of salt mud that can trap vehicles? Is it A, Dasht-i Kavir, B, Thar Desert, or C, Sonoran Desert? It's A, Dasht-i Kavir. Salt crusts hide dangerous mud. What is the name of the coldest, driest, windswept valleys in Antarctica? Is it A, McMurdo Dry Valleys, B, Death Valleys, or C, Patagonia Valleys? It's A, McMurdo Dry Valleys. They are completely ice-free. What is a streamlined rock ridge carved out of the desert floor by wind erosion? Is it A, Yardang, B, Mesa, or C, alluvial fan? It's A, Yardang. Wind carves these long ridges. Which Brazilian desert features seasonal blue-green lagoons between pure white sand dunes? Is it A, Lençóis Maranhenses, B, Atacama Dunes, or C, Sechura Desert? It's A, Lençóis Maranhenses. Seasonal rains create the lagoons. Which agile desert cat has long, black tufted ears and can leap 10 feet high to catch birds? Is it A, ocelot, B, caracal, or C, serval? It's B, caracal. They are highly athletic jumpers. Which famous red sand desert valley in Jordan is nicknamed the Valley of the Moon? Is it A, Wadi Rum, B, Aravalis, or C, Negev? It's A, Wadi Rum. It has dramatic red mountains. Which desert in Turkmenistan is home to the flaming Darvaza gas crater? Is it A, Karakum Desert, B, Kizilkum Desert, or C, Taklamakan Desert? It's A, Karakum Desert. It contains the burning crater. Which desert shrub forms massive circular clones that can live up to 11,000 years? Is it A, creosote bush, B, sagebrush, or C, saltbush? It's A, creosote bush. These rings are extremely old. What is the world's largest salt desert, which turns into a giant sky mirror when wet? Is it A, Salar de Uyuni, B, Bonneville Salt Flats, or C, Chott el Djerid? It's A, Salar de Uyuni. Rain creates a giant mirror. Which Australian desert is famous for having the world's longest parallel sand dunes? Is it A, Simpson Desert, B, Gibson Desert, or C, Great Sandy Desert? It's A, Simpson Desert. It features massive parallel dunes. Which giant salt lake in the Tunisian Sahara was used as a filming location for Star Wars? Is it A, Chott el Djerid, B, Lake Eyre, or C, Lake Balkhash? It's A, Chott el Djerid. It served as Tatooine. How many did you get correct? Share your score in the comments below and subscribe for more fun quizzes.